So today we are going to be making DIY pom-poms. So let's get started. So what you will need is a scissors, ruler, and some yarn. So these pom-poms are really easy to make. We're going to be making these kind of pom-poms, and they look so cute and they are very easy to make. So let's start. Okay, so what you will need is yarn. So I've cut out a piece of yarn, like a long piece of yarn. So now I'm going to tell you how much do you want. So what you need to do is just take your yarn and wrap it 10 times on your fingers like this. And you'll see this much long you want. So yeah. So now I'm going to tell you how you can make DIY pom-pom. So what you need to do is just take your ruler. You need to take this end of the ruler, one end of the ruler, and start putting your yarn on top like this, pulling your yarn like this on the top of the ruler. Like this. So when you have come to the end, so what you need to do is just twist it backwards and put it inside like this, or you can just leave it like that, and yeah, like this. You should get this kind of shape. So now what you need to do is just put off the yarn off the skirt like this carefully so it doesn't get untied. So like this, you should get this kind of shape, and you should not you really touch it. So you need a little piece of yarn to tie it around this thing, and you need to it should be the same color of the pom-pom you're making. So what you will need to do is just, you can either do this or you can do this way, like tie it up like this. You need to do this and tie a knot like this. You need to just tie a knot. Mine's opening again, but that doesn't matter. So you need to just tie a knot in the middle of the pom-pom string. So everybody, I've tied a knot in the middle of the pom-pom. So like this, you should get this kind of shape. What you should need to do is just go ahead and cut out these loops thingies, like over there, like these loops thingies. What you need to do is just crush your scissors like this. Like this. Make sure you don't cut the knot, or you'll ruin the pom-pom. Tear apart, like it will not. Like this. To the other side. Like that. Like this. And what you need to do is just take your pom-pom and cut the extra rough edges, and make sure that all of the thread pieces are the same size. So now I'll be back when I have finished cutting this. So everyone, I have done cutting this, and now it looks really good. Like, it looks just like a pom-pom, and it's really fluffy, and we can make amazing pom-poms. So I also made these pink and green ones, and they look pretty cute and nice, and they're really pretty. So yeah, so you can use them to decorate your jars. So I made this galaxy jar. So if you want to see me making this, you can, the link will be in the description box. And yeah, so like that. So I'm gonna add some glue and just, you know, put the pom-poms on top of it. And yeah, this looks like really nice. So now, yeah, so this is the end of the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that like button. So bye!